Alright, chat. Look, what we doing today? We're gonna fuck with the Beamer today. Cause I ain't gonna lie, for 2 days, no, for a day and a half, the car was acting a little funny. I don't know if because of the pollen and shit, cause the way I got my cold air intake located, it's like a little entrance where the pollen I got into it. So I think the cold air intake a little dirty. So we're gonna knock that out. And that's what we're doing. But we're gonna run these numbers up and we're gonna stay consistent. You know what I'm saying? It's early in the morning, you know. Nigga just washed his face, brushed his teeth. Nigga got natural brown eyes, you know. I'm just playing. But nah, for real though. And his teeth straight, you know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm bullshit with y'all. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. The car be idling a little funny on cold start. The last day and a half, the shit been idling a little funny on cold start. So we about to tap in with that, and we about to see what that is.